Hello everyone, we're gonna make the main part. After it's ready, we are going to make the pattern by using some circle shape on them. After that, we're gonna make two more mini mushrooms at both the sides of the big one, and when they are ready, we are going to color them with red color, starting by coloring the topmost part and coloring the two mini mushrooms as well. Here we have used pencil color, but you can use any sketch pens or crayons as per you want. Then we are going to use brown color for the ground, and you can see your beautiful mushrooms are completed. Next, we are going to make a crab, starting by making the face of it. We are going to make the features like the eyes and then highlighting them. After that, we will make this curved body. After it's ready, we will move ahead towards the detailings like the claws and the tail. After they are ready, we are going to color it by using red sketch pen, and you can see it is completed and looking so cool. Next, we are going to make a Pikachu, starting by making the hands and the legs. We are going to move ahead towards its face and the long ears. After that, we're going to color the ears from the top by using black sketch pen only. Then we're going to move ahead towards making his eyes and then folding them. After that, it's ready. We are going to make the mouth, and then we're going to make the body. When it's done, we are going to color it by using yellow color sketch pen, and then you can see we are using red color pen for coloring the cheeks, and then your Pikachu is ready and looking so cute. Next, we are going to make a baby tiger, starting by making his face and structuring the body. We are going to start making the eyes, nose, mouth and the cute mustache. Then we're gonna make the mini ears. After it's done, we are going to make the pattern on his face, and then we're gonna move ahead towards the body by making the leg and the long tail. Then we're gonna give the pattern to the body as well, a black stripe, and when it's done, we are going to use yellow pencil color for coloring this tiger. You can use any color you want or the combination of colors, or you can use any sketch pen or oil pastel, and then your tiger is completed.